This is the famous Nanjangud temple corridor. Corridor is very big over here, you can see. And today there is heavy rush in Nanjangud. This temple was built from Chola dynasty to Wadiyar dynasty. This temple is very famous.
Kashi of South.
This temple is also known as South Kashi. It's one of the biggest temple in Karnataka. This is the Belpatre offered to Lord Shiva. And you can see these are called as Lingad Huva. You can see there is linga inside. This is the famous Mysuru Mallige. This is called as famous Mysuru Mallige. Its fragrance is very nice.